Hello and welcome to Sloths Love to Read. This is KeriAnne. Today is a very important holiday in Mexico called Mexican Independence Day. This story was written by myself, KeriAnne Jelinek, and it's called The Story of the Mexican Independence Day. Let's get started. The Story of the Mexican Independence Day by KeriAnne Jelinek. Once upon a time in a colorful and lively country called Mexico, there was a day that everyone celebrated with joy and excitement. It was known as Mexican Independence Day, and it was a day filled with parades, music, dancing, and delicious food. But do you know the true story behind this special day? Long, long ago, Mexico was not a free country. It was under the rule of the Spanish king, and the Mexican people dreamed of being free and ruling their own land. They were tired of unfair treatment and wanted to make their own decisions. In a small town called Dolores, there lived a brave and kind priest named Miguel Hidalgo. He had a deep love for his people and saw their suffering. He decided it was time to do something about it. So late one night in September 1810, he gathered his fellow Mexicans and rang the church bells. The sound echoed through the town and woke everyone up. People gathered at the church, curious about what was happening. Father Hidalgo stood before them and gave a powerful speech. He urged the people to rise up against the Mexican rulers and fight for their freedom. He cried out, "Viva Mexico! Viva la Independencia!" which means long live Mexico, long live independence. The people were inspired by Father Hidalgo's words, and they took up whatever they could find as weapons. They marched toward Mexico City, determined to end the unfair rule of the Spanish. This event is known as the Grito de Dolores, and it marks the beginning of the Mexican War of Independence. It was not an easy fight. The Mexican people faced many challenges and hardships, but they were united by their love for their country and their dream of freedom. Years passed, and finally on September 27, 1821, Mexico won its independence from Spain. The Mexican flag, with its green, white, and red stripes, became a symbol of their freedom and pride. And so, every year, on the night of September 15th, Mexicans gather in town squares and plazas all over the country. They ring bells and shout, "Viva Mexico!" and reenact Father Hidalgo's cry for freedom. Fireworks light up the sky, and families come together to celebrate their country's independence. Mexican Independence Day is not just a day for fun and festivities. It's a day to remember the brave men and women who fought for freedom and to honor the spirit of unity and patriotism that runs deep in the hearts of the Mexican people. So the next time you see the colorful decorations, taste the delicious Mexican food, or hear the music and laughter on Mexican Independence Day, remember the true story behind this special day. It's a day of pride, courage, and love for a beautiful country called Mexico. Viva Mexico! Oh, this has been such a wonderful story and lesson for us today about a little bit of history of Mexico. This book was called The Story of the Mexican Independence Day. Usually the holiday is celebrated on September 15th, starting in the late evening and going through the 16th of September. So there are many parades, fireworks, food, and all kinds of wonderful festivities to celebrate their independence from Spain. And they are now, of course, a free country of their own, and they have wonderful, wonderful people that come from Mexico, and all the traditions and wonderful culture of Mexico is absolutely beautiful. I hope that you will check out maybe this book on our website at slothdreamsbooks.com, or check out some Mexican food and maybe check out some more books from the library about Mexican Independence Day. I hope you have enjoyed this story. This story was by KeriAnne Jelinek, and I hope that you'll check out all of our books on our website. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye for now.